Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I hope you're having a great day. I'm here with my April design team stamp and the newest release from Not2Shabby Shop. Don't forget to use coupon code JEN10, that's Jen with 2 N's, to save 10% off your total purchase. And all the links to the shop and the products will be listed below. So Jamie has 4 new releases and she made me this little card using one of them. It's absolutely adorable. So she always sends the design team some sort of creation with their design team package for the month. So for this one, she has used the stamps from one of the new releases. This is Unicorn Dreamland. It's absolutely adorable. I love the way these stamps are drawn. They're so whimsical. The little carousel with the little stars is adorable, and I love the position that these 2 little unicorns are in. The wand is really cute, and then we have a little star flower, some hearts, a star and some clouds, and a little cupcake, and then the sentiments wish and dream. There's also the Unicorn Magic stamp, which pairs really well with the other one. So you get this little unicorn on the carousel, would you call that a stick maybe? And then this little unicorn on its 2 hind legs, which is adorable. I love the whimsy drawing of this rainbow with the clouds and hearts, and then you get some big puffy stars and a couple more hearts, and the sentiment or word sparkle and magic. Also from the new release is the Yay Lemonade stamp set, which is so cute with the little lemonade stand, the lemon and the cup, a slice, which could really be a lemon, lime, orange, whatever you want to make it, the mason jar cup, a little cupcake here, and then the banner, which is really sweet, and another star, and then lemonade and yay. So super cute. The final stamp set in the new release is called Sweet Tea, and there's this little sweet dessert here that you could make into anything you wanted to. It could be a macaron, it could be, to me it looks like a sprinkled donut, like a honey cruller with some frosting in the center. You get the holder for the iced tea, which has the little steel spout, which is absolutely adorable, a larger cup, and then the little pot here for the iced tea, a really pretty flower, some more stars, and then the words sweet and cool. For the month of April, my design team stamp is the Get Well Before and After by Fawn. Loved this little stamp set. I don't always have a lot of Get Well cards in my stash, so I thought this would be super fun to play with this month. So stay tuned for a creation or 2 with that stamp set. And I also picked up a couple goodies. I really loved this sentiment stamp from My Favorite Things. This is anything but basic encouragements. I love a good sentiment stamp. And there's some great sentiments in here. I'm always here for you. Just try to get rid of me. If I could make it better, I would. You were strong enough to get this far. You're strong enough to keep going. And a whole bunch of other ones. My favorite one is You Are So Much Braver Than You Think. So loving that stamp. I also picked up the new Nuvo Dream Drops. I saw these at Creativation and absolutely fell in love with them. I picked up the Fairy Wings, which is a pearlescent pink, and I just have a scrap of paper here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this very well on camera, but these are the most beautiful Nuvo drops I think I've ever seen. So they are very pearlescent, and I'll just stick my finger in here, see if you can see that. It's so pretty. I doubt this is going to come up on camera, but the pink is just very light. Really, really pretty. So loving the new Dream Drops by Nuvo. So I'm sure I will be embellishing a lot of my cards with this. It goes perfect, I think, with the Not2Shabby Unicorn release stamps as well. So that's it for some new products for the month of April. Stay tuned, like I said, for some card videos. I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye.